Eighth question, if A is to B is to C equals 7 is to 8 is to 9, find cos A is to cos B is to cos C. So the given ratio is A is to B is to C equals to 7 is to 8 is to 9. From this, the individual values are A value 7x, B value 8x and C value 9x. So let's find out the cos A value first of all. Cos A formula is B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. So substitute the ABC values in this. B value is 8x, so 8x whole square, and C value is 9x, so 9x whole square minus A value is 7x, 7x whole square. 2 into B value 8x and C value is 9x. So it is equals to 8x whole square is 64x square, 81x square, 49x square by 2 into 8 into 9 into x square. 64 plus 81 x square, 4 plus 1 5, here 125 x square minus 49 x square. So 2 into 8 into 9 into x square. Sorry, here it is a 145 x. So it is equals to 96 x square divided by 8 9s are 72, 72 into 2, 144 x square cancel, and here 96, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, here 4 3s are 12, 4 8s are 24, sorry 4 6s are 24, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So the answer is 2 by 3. So the cos A value is 2 by 3. So let's find out the cos B value. So the cos B formula is C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2CA. So cos B value is 11 by 21. Next to cos C value. Cos C value 2 by 7. So let's find out our required answer. So that is cos A is to cos B is to cos C. Cos A value 2 by 3 is to cos B value 11 by 21 is to cos C value 2 by 7. Let's multiply each term with 21 to cancel the denominator. So it is equals to 2 by 3 into 21, 11 by 21 into 21, 2 by 7 into 21. 3 ones are 3 sevens are, yeah 21 21, 7 ones are 7 threes are, 2 sevens are 14 is to 11 is to 2 threes are 6. So it is our required answer. Ninth question, show that cos A by A plus cos B by B plus cos C by C equals to A square plus B square plus C square all divided by 2ABC. From the cos rule, cos A formula is B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC, and here denominator A given, so by A. Cos B formula is C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2CA divided by B. Cos C formula A square plus B square minus C square by 2AB divided by C. So it is equals to B square plus C square minus A square. Here 2BC by A, it will becomes 2ABC plus C square plus A square minus B square divided by 2ABC plus A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2ABC. So all denominators are same, then add the numerators as it is. So overall LCM is 2ABC, just add the numerators as it is. C square plus A square minus B square, A square plus B square minus C square. Is there any terms cancelled here? B square plus C square minus C square minus A square plus A square cancel, and write the terms in the order a square plus b square divided by 2abc. So it is equals to RHS, so hence proved. 10th question, b minus a into cos c plus c into cos b minus cos a equals to c into sin a minus b by 2 into cosec a plus b by 2. Let's take the LHS. So now cos c multiply inside b into cos c minus a into cos c. Next here c multiply inside c into cos b minus c into cos a. So b into cos c, next you write c into cos b, so plus c into cos b. Next from these two take the minus common, so a into cos c plus c into cos a, c into cos a. From the projection rule, b into cos c plus c into cos b is small a, and same from the same projection rule, a into cos c plus c into cos a value is small b. But from the sine rule, a value equals to 2r sin a and b value equals to 2r sin b. From this take the 2r common, so sin a minus sin b. So it is equals to 2r. Here sin a minus sin b formula 2 cos a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2. So now to get the cosec theta in the RHS, we need to multiply and divide with one term, that is sin a plus b by 2, sin a plus b by 2. I am multiplying and divide with the same term. Okay, so now it is equals to 2r into 2. First you write sin a plus b by 2 and it's beside cos a plus b by 2. Next the remaining term is sin a minus b by 2. So sin a minus b by 2 into 1 by sin a plus b by 2. So now 2 into here 2r, it is same like a 2 sin a cos a formula. 2 sin a cos a formula sin 2a. So then sin 2 into a plus b by 2 into sin a minus b by 2 into 1 by sin theta formula cosec theta. So then cosec a plus b by 2. Here 2 cancel, so 2r into sin a plus b. Next to sin a minus b by 2 into cosec a plus b by 2. So next step is it is equals to 2r sin a plus b is equals to pi minus c from the angle sum property. So sin a minus b by 2. So 2r sin 180 minus theta is sin theta itself. So here into sin c. So sin a minus. So 2r sin c, from the sine rule 2r sin c is equals to small c. So into sin a minus b by 2 into cosec a plus b by 2. So this is our required RHS. So it is equals to RHS, so hence proved. See here c into sin a minus b by 2 into cosec a plus b by 2. 11th question, express a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2 in terms of s, a, b, c. So here a sin square c by 2 plus c sin square a by 2 equals to a sin square c by 2 formula is under root, not sin square, sin c by 2 formula is s minus a into s minus b divided by a into b. So he gives square. So then here apply the square. Next to plus c into sin a by 2 formula is under root s minus b into s minus c divided by b into c whole square. So it is equals to, here square root cancel, so a into s minus a into s minus b divided by a into b plus c into s minus b into s minus c divided by b into c. Here a cancel, c cancel, so then s minus a into s minus b by b, next to s minus b into s minus c divided by b. So denominators are same, so then add the numerators as it is. So s minus a into s minus b plus s minus b into s minus c divided by b. So in the numerator we can take s minus b common, so take the s minus b common. So here s minus a plus s minus c divided by b. So here s plus s is 2s, so s minus b into 2s minus a minus c divided by b. So s minus b, 2s formula is a plus b plus c, so minus a minus c divided by b. So then it is equals to, here plus a plus c minus c cancel, so s minus b into b by b, so it is equals to s minus. So this is our required answer. 12th problem, if b plus c equals to 3a, then find the value of cot b by 2 into cot c by 2. So the given value is b plus c equals to 3a and cot b by 2 into cot c by 2 equals to, cot b by 2 formula is under root s into s minus b divided by s minus a into s minus c into cot c by 2 formula is s into s minus c divided by s minus a into s minus b. So here under root a into under root b equals to under root a into b. So then apply the single square root for all terms. So s into s minus b, so s minus a into s minus c into s into s minus c divided by s minus a into s minus b. So here s minus b cancel, s minus c cancel. So then it is equals to s into s square and here denominator is s minus a into s minus a, then overall s by s minus a whole square under root. So now we can cancel the square and square root, so then s divided by s minus a. So now numerator and denominator both multiply with 2 into s divided by 2 into s minus a. So 2 into s divided by 2s minus 2a. But we know very well 2s formula is a plus b plus c, and here also a plus b plus c minus 2a. So b plus c plus a I am writing because in the question he gave b plus c value, that is why b plus c plus a. Next here also b plus c, a minus 2a is minus a. Now substitute b plus c, value, that is 3a. So 3a plus a divided by 3a minus a. So 3a plus a is 4a, 3a minus a is 2a. So a cancel, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the answer is 2. 13th problem, prove that b plus c into cos b plus c by 2 equals to a into cos b minus c by 2. So let's take the LHS. From the sine rule, b formula is 2r sin b and c formula is 2r sin c into cos b plus c by 2. Now take the 2r common, so sin b plus sin c into cos b plus c by 2. So 2r, here sin b plus sin c formula is 2 sin b plus c by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. Next into cos b plus c by 2. So it is equals to 2r into 2 sin, here the angle sum property is a plus b plus c equals to pi. From this a equals to pi minus, b plus c equals to pi minus a. Then b plus c by 2 equals to 90 minus a by 2. So substitute this value at two places, here and here. So then sin 90 minus a by 2, 90 minus a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2 into cos 90 minus a by 2. So cos 90 minus theta is sin theta and sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So then here 2 into cos a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2, here cos 90 minus theta sin theta, so sin a by 2. So it is equals to 2r into 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2 into cos b minus c by 2. So sin 2 theta formula is sin 2 theta equals to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Then sin theta formula is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So use this formula at this place. So then it is equals to 2r into, here 2 sin a by 2 into cos a by 2, answer is sin a into cos b minus c by 2. But 2r into sin a formula is what? 2r into sin a, that is small a, na? So a into cos b minus c by 2. So it is equals to RHS. So here a into cos b minus c by 2. 14th problem, in triangle ABC, show that b square minus c square by a square equals to sin b minus c divided by sin b plus c. So first LHS equals to b square minus c square by a square. From the sine rule, b formula is 2r sin b and c formula is 2r sin c and a formula is 2r sin a. But in the LHS he gave squares. So then apply the square for each term. So then it is equals to 2r sin b means 4r square sin square b minus 4r square sin square c divided by 4r square sin square a. From the numerator take 4r square common, so sin square b minus sin square c divided by 4r square into sin square a. 4r square cancel. Here sin square b minus sin square c formula sin b plus c into sin b minus c divided by sin square a. So it is equals to sin b plus c into sin b minus c divided by So angle sum property is a plus b plus c equals to pi. So then sine square, at the place of a we can write pi minus b plus c, because sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So then it is equals to sine b plus c into sine b minus c divided by sine 180 minus theta is sine theta itself. So sine b plus c square. So sine square b plus c means sine b plus c into sine b plus c. So square sine b plus c cancel. So sine b minus c divided by sine b plus c. So it is equals to RHS. So hence proved.